Imagine describing a picture in your mind. A dragon perched on a skyscraper. A forest made of crystal. You type a few words. And seconds later, it exists. Vivid, detailed, real. In this video, we're diving into the AI art revolution. What Midjourney actually is. How text transforms into stunning images. Why it changed creativity forever. And where visual creation is headed next. Creating professional artwork used to demand serious skill. Years mastering brushes. Hours in design software. Costly equipment. Extensive training. The barrier to entry? Sky high. Then AI shattered those barriers. Suddenly, idea to image happened in seconds. No degree required. No expensive tools. Just your imagination and a text prompt. The gates swung open. So what is Midjourney? It's an AI platform that generates images from text. You describe your vision. The AI interprets it. Moments later, you're staring at artwork that didn't exist before. It exploded in popularity for one reason. Anyone could visualize anything instantly. That concept in your head, now visible. That impossible scene, rendered. Creativity became democratic. Here's the magic flow. You craft a text prompt describing your vision. The AI processes it, learning patterns from millions of images. Then it generates something entirely new. Your words, visualized. The range of styles is staggering. Photorealistic portraits, dreamy watercolors, cyberpunk cityscapes, classical oil paintings, fantasy illustrations. One platform, infinite aesthetics. Designers rewired their entire workflow. Start with a rough concept. Generate dozens of variations. Pick the strongest direction. Refine. Iterate. What took weeks now takes hours. Ideation on steroids. Content creators struck gold. YouTube, thumbnails, marketing campaigns, social media graphics, presentation visuals, all generated in minutes instead of days. Production speed transformed. Here's the real superpower. AI multiplies creative exploration. One idea branches into 50 visual interpretations. You see possibilities you never imagined. Your creativity compounds exponentially. Industries everywhere adopted it fast. Game studios visualizing characters. Publishers designing book covers. Filmmakers creating storyboards. Advertisers generating campaign concepts. The transformation cascaded across sectors. Why the mass adoption? Speed erased bottlenecks. Accessibility lowered costs. Experimentation became risk-free. Visual creation went from exclusive craft to universal tool. But AI isn't autopilot. It requires human direction, creative judgment, quality filtering, strategic thinking. The AI generates possibilities. You choose what matters. Midjourney became the face of AI art. It proved text-to-image could deliver professional results. It sparked conversations, changed workflows, challenged assumptions about creativity itself. This is where we're headed. Not human versus AI. Human amplified by AI. Your vision accelerated. Your ideas multiplied. Creative partnership unlocking possibilities neither could achieve alone. Let's see the full pipeline in action. Concept forms in your mind. You translate it to a prompt. AI generates visual interpretations. You explore variations, refine your direction, and arrive at the final output. That's the loop. Midjourney sits in a larger ecosystem. AI writes your copy. AI codes your prototypes. AI generates your images. AI edits your videos. These tools connect, creating integrated creative workflows. Midjourney didn't replace human creativity. It rewired how creativity happens. By collapsing the gap between imagination and image, it democratized visual creation and helped millions of people express ideas they could never visualize before. That's not the end of human artistry. It's the expansion of it.